Hey you guys, you want to make some shirts with me? I gotta make some shirts. I gotta make some packages up and get them ready to ship. Come on, let's go. We'll make some shirts. I got some just terrible news to share with you here too, but yeah, the operations friggin' kind of streamlined a little bit. So I'll show you the techniques that I come up with there. But GoPro no good, boys. I already filmed this segment of the movie. I figure I don't have to set up the mics and all that bull crap. I can just push record and do my little clip there. But so I made this little clip. You can see right here the audio just disappears, just like the clip freezes. So like this whole section here where the arrow is sliding back and forth, there's no audio, and the video froze. So I was like, oh well, I'll try doing it again. So then it took that clip, and it only, the same part that's to here, right here, it just chooched that part onto it and then called her a day, and then deleted all the footage off the SD card. So yeah, we've been going through all type of shenanigans with the pewter, so there's that. But yeah, without any further ado, we'll make some shirts. I'll show you how I do it, and it'll be totally awesome. And check this out too. Stop it. Stop your nonsense. So we'll do like some decals. We'll do some decals. We'll get some orders ready to go, and then it'll be awesome, boys. But anyways, GoPro no good. Boys got the, well, I'm missing a shirt, so I got to make another order. But I mean, it's just impossible. It's impossible. You can't you can't guess what people are going to order. And try to order as much of this and that as I can, but short 1 2X white. Just chooch through the 2X whites. I had 20 of them. So you can order 40 next time. Large and extra large. All in 2X too. Seem to be the popular sizes. But yeah, the Vever shirt machine. Eh? Who'd have thunk it? Got her off Kijiji. $100. I mean, they're $300 or $400 to buy, so got a sweet deal. Freaking sweet deal on that guy there, but yeah, we're done printing for the day. Wash this screen out, and then it's probably just about time for a cigar, to be honest with you. Freaking rights we did. I don't think we could I actually adjusted the bucket a little bit because it was right to the edge, so before I grabbed the camera and just let it spill all over, I decided to not let it spill all over. But yeah, I mean, can't get much closer than that, boys. But yeah, I don't know. Been super busy getting these orders out, so Remembrance Day today, so part stores and stuff like that are closed. Still got to do a little project aisle on the truck there. My heater core is leaking. I'll show you. We're gonna get this valve. Says we can shut the heater core off, because I ain't got time for that. Got a piece of hose right out of the stash. But that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. But oh, I had to show you that. Oh yeah, I did. Just those 2 lines there. I gotta friggin' tie that T into. This guy here, she's a little crusty, I mean, there's still paint on the bottom side, so that's the part right there that's all crushed in. And other than that, the cap's pretty much chisel rooted, so we can cut what we sort of need out of that area there, and don't have to make so much. It's $150. I mean, I already bought the door off the guy for 80 or something like that. So, and I'm not even going to use it. So now I got 3 doors. That's the other door right there. That's the front door for the passenger side, but I wasn't sure if the original door was going to shut or not. Oh, I was going to show you my heater core leaking all over the passenger side floor too, and I forgot. But this guy just opens and closes like 3 biscuits. Okay. Nice, but we're a little bit pushed in there, like it's not supposed to be like that, so well, we got some tweaking to do. Not too bad, I guess. Maybe, probably totally is, but yeah, we got customs. Oh no, those are horse hoodies. We got Classfella hoodie. We got Classfella shirts. Got some friggin' customs on white. Got horse on white. Customs on white for Classfella on white. I'm gonna make a video about this this guy here too. Pretty much trade professional. Look at all these keychains. So if you order on onepuglife.com, you get free keychains, decals, the whole shebang, the whole friggin' shebang, boys. But anyways, check out the view too. You can see the back of the trailer, yellow there. I wish I could open it and say, hey, they stupid out there. Gotta be doing stuff. You drain freaking sink water down into the, there's the pipe just ends, right? There's no, it's not, he knew there was no plumbing. I told him there was no plumbing. He asked me if there was plumbing. I said no. And yeah, decides to attempt to use the plumbing. So now he's in there. Well, I mean, he best be in there freaking rifling all the stuff out of the way to lay it out to dry out and to expose whatever damage is done to the trailer. So that'll be good.